a grilled garlic scape potato salad. Often I'll just throw the garlic scapes right on the grill. They've got a really funky, crazy sort of style to them. But today I thought we'll go a little bit more elegant. I'm gonna skewer them. Because garlic scapes do have some really great flavor already, I'm gonna keep this really simple. Just some olive oil, salt and pepper, that's it. And barbecuing them is going to really mellow out their flavors. These are gonna be really lovely. The potato salad is gonna start with homemade mayo. I like to do it that way so I can get exactly what I'm looking for in a dressing. And a little lemon for some kick. And last but not least, some safflower oil, because it doesn't give a whole lot of extra flavor, but it will give you a nice consistency and texture with your mayonnaise. Right, time to check that veg. And just for a little bit more dimension, I'm going to give those scapes some extra zing. And for potato salad, well, you need potatoes. I kept them warm in their water because I do want this to be a warm potato salad. Some people like a creamy potato salad, some like it chunky. I'm gonna go half and half and smash my potatoes. It's kind of a fun texture, works really well when you've left the skins on also. These garlic scapes are just what this potato salad needs. A little bit of that oniony garlic flavor, a rough chop. And finish up the dressing, we'll use the mayo. So rich and creamy. And just to thin this out a little bit, some more of that safflower oil. I always change up the herbs depending on what I have or what's in season. So right now, it's dill and parsley. I can really smell the dill in there. Look at how creamy that is. You can't go wrong with any potato salad, but this one, it's the cat's pajamas. This looks so creamy. A perfect base for the chicken. This is exciting. A nice summer barbecue dinner. Little sweet, little spicy, just how I like it. That potato salad is so rich. The creaminess from that dressing combined with the robust garlic scapes and those earthy potatoes and the fresh herbs really help brighten up everything on the plate.